Good morning, dear student. I hope you understood the lesson. Okay. Once again, I revise the chapters. Okay. So this is your recap video of lesson 1. Okay. In the first topic, we learned what is the computer. Yes. Computer is a machine. Okay. What is computer? Computer is a machine with the data and instruction given by the user. Computer is a machine, but it doesn't work itself. We have to give instructions. The user should give instruction to the computer, then the computer works. The parts of computer that you can touch are called hardware. Yes. So in part of the computers which we can touch, okay, which we can touch, which we can see, we can feel, that parts are called hardware. That parts are called hardware. A group of instruction given the computer to do a particular work is called software. So a group of instructions given to the computer to do a particular work. So for the particular work, for each and everything, the computer has a instructions. It has a application. So according to that, step by step we have to work on a computers. That is called as a software. Okay. So hardware means which parts of computer we can feel, we can touch, we can see, that is called as a hardware. So software, a group of instruction given in a computer, then it works. That is software. Input is the data and instructions that is entered into a computer. So input. So now we are in IPO. So input, process, device. Output. So we need the correct answers. Okay, we need the result. Then we have to input what you need, what information you need. What, okay, then we have to give input. That is, a computer takes a process, then it gives a output. So for that we saw many examples in our lessons. So you may turn your books and saw that examples, then you will understand. And keyboard. Keyboard and mouse are used to enter data and instructions into a computer. Yes, keyboard and mouse, these both devices we are using for enter informations and data to the computer. A keyboard has different sets of keys. There are 5 different sets of keys. In total keys, the keyboard has 104. But according to their functions, we divided in different groups of keys. They are typing keys and control keys, function keys, numeric keys, and navigation key. So there are 5 different groups of keys we divided according to their functions. A mouse is used to point. So mouse, for which purpose we are using? This is the mouse. So mouse, for which purpose we are using means we are using mouse. You see here, you know this is a mouse pointer. Yes, no? So this is, if I read the lines, I have to show to my children, my students. So now I point out that line and which word I am reading, that I point out the word. For that purpose, people are using the mouse. Okay. A mouse used to point, select and move any object on a computer screen. Yes. So for this purpose, we are using a mouse on a computer. And A monitor display all the work that we do on a computer and the output. So monitor displays whatever you are doing in a computer. The monitor will display, it will show the result to the children. Okay. So a CPU does all the calculation and displays the result on the monitor. And CPU it takes all the process, whatever you give input instruction to the computer, the CPU takes process and it show the result on a monitor. The meaningful information that we get after processing is known as output. So after the processing, the result comes, the result shown on the computer, that is called as a output. So this is the overall lessons we learned. This is the main topic in our first lesson we learned. I hope you understand the lessons, learn well, be safe at home. Thank you and have a nice day.